being part of the event culture and the event life is different to the day job. So you get a kind of buzz from it, and I always say to my wife that it's my circus family who've come to town.
We never know what we're going to get with Lumiere. The artists and installations change each year. There's sometimes sort of satellite sites around the county. The city centre footprint changes. So it's an ever-changing beast right up until it starts. But it's a really interesting one. It's very fun and ultimately very, very rewarding.
When we're asked to do something for the Lumiere, we jump at the chance. And everybody at the group is all on board because it helps them take the mind off their pain. It also gives them the opportunity to try something at home. So if they want to then further go home and do what they've done at the group, then great. And it's helping them take the mind off their pain. So it is a massive help.
The installation that comes to mind, first of all, is the elephant that was on Albert Bridge, and it was a number of years ago, and it was a huge structure that was built on Albert Bridge, and it had an elephant front and back.
We've done one big massive chandelier that was made out of just plastic milk bottles. That was fun.
I think I have to go back to Lumiere 2011, and it was the first time the snow globe was in the city centre. I just remember walking up Silver Street into the marketplace and seeing that, and then thinking what a great event that was brought to the city.
I think it's good. I think it's important to showcase the arts in a way that's accessible to the general public, especially young people. I think it does a lot of good for the city.
I think it's a really nice event. I used to go with my dad all the time, like back in the day. I've always liked what they do when they project on the cathedral.
Well, I love Durham Lumiere and I love everything about it. I love the atmosphere. I love seeing all the installations. I love the fact that it brings thousands of people into Durham.
Not only does it show off the exhibits of Lumiere, but it also shows Durham well in very good light.
Brings families together, people together, and do you know what it is, honestly, in the world that we're living at the moment, it's really what you need.